My name is Brent Mayr. I'm board certified in criminal law and practice in all areas of criminal defense, including in state and in federal courts. I have represented individuals charged with a variety of crimes ranging from murder, aggravated robbery, driving while intoxicated, intoxication, manslaughter. Federal crimes are going to be criminal offenses that have a much broader scope. They affect a national interest. Most of those are going to involve drug trafficking, economic crimes, white-collar crimes, theft, fraud. There's also a number of immigration offenses. I represent clients from all over the state of Texas. I represent a number of non-citizens who are in this country facing the legal system, and even if you think that you're suspected of a crime, you need me on your side working for you to protect you from giving up information that you have a right to not disclose to the government. It's important that I get involved as soon as possible because that can mean the difference between someone being charged versus not even being charged at all. There's things that I can do knowing what law enforcement is doing to protect an individual who is under that microscope of law enforcement. And what may seem like a simple misdemeanor can have consequences that affect a person for their entire life. And so that's why it's important to have a specialist. As a former prosecutor and having worked with law enforcement, knowing what they're doing, I can use those same tools to gather evidence to protect that individual, and even after the fact, if a person has been caught, arrested, and charged, I'm going to know that this is the way it's supposed to be done because I've been in their shoes before and it wasn't done in this case. Therefore, I can use that to the client's advantage. In addition to being licensed by the State Bar of Texas, I'm also board certified by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization in Criminal Law. Essentially, that allows me to hold myself out as an expert in criminal law. It's a distinction that's only reserved for about 7% of attorneys practicing in the state of Texas. I see how strong law enforcement is and how hard they're pushing. It really makes me feel good to protect someone under those circumstances.